how to activate your Poshmark account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how we can activate our Poshmark account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. You finished signing up for your Poshmark account, but then it's not all of a sudden usable, which means that if you want to shop for products, it's asking you to activate and verify. Well, all it is telling you is to simply activate your email address, which means to verify your email address. And to do this, first of all, go to poshmark.com, make sure to sign into the account that is incomplete, which says you to activate. Once you do that, click the profile icon from the top right hand side, and then you simply want to head over to account settings. As you go to account settings option over here, you're going to land on this page. What you want to do is right over here on the left hand side, you'll find account info. Make sure to go to account info tab. As you do that, right here you'll see your email address. Now, if you've already verified your email address, you will not see any pop-up, but if you've not verified, it'll ask you to verify it. So make sure to click the activate button right next to it. After that, it's going to send a verification code to you on your email. After it sends a verification code to you, you go ahead and verify it. Your account will get verified, and as a result, your account is also going to get activated. And that's it for today's video on how you can activate your Poshmark account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.